Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get the super light ball in a royal match. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up Royal Match guys, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here of the game where you will be able to log into your account. So guys, what you want to do first thing is to go ahead and log into your account even if you don't have one, because you will have far more benefits than somebody without an account, so we just suggest logging into your account. So after you have logged in guys, now you'll be greeted by this main screen where you can see all the options you can access. You can see you can start playing, you can see your levels right here. If you scroll left and right, you'll be able to see your collections, achievements, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to get the super light ball. Basically guys, this is the two requirements you need to pass. The first requirement guys is to be level 292. So you get the light ball at level 292. So after you become that level guys, the light ball will appear right here at the home page. You will be able to see it as a pop-up that will appear where you will be able to access it and start playing. So guys, to be able to get this super light ball, all you have to do is open up that event and you want to pass to 10 rounds in a row. So yeah, that's right guys, you need to beat 10 rounds in a row of the light ball event, and then you will be able to get the super light ball and it will be added to your account in Royal Match. But yeah guys, basically that's what you do and that's how you get the super light ball. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.